Destiny Ridge. Good morning, viewers. How are we? Well, it's that time. What does that say? All right, so I put some oil in this one. It was a little too much oil. Damn. You know what I mean? Didn't mean to overfill it, Dad. And I've put some fuel in it. Some new fuel. Now my little one, she's 20 years old. It's a 009L. I bought it to do notching in fence posts. Now, it's probably notched about three fence posts, but it's done a bit of trimming because it's only little. But the thing is very, very hard to start. It's a mongrel thing. So I took out the spark plug, because on a two-stroke it's either fuel or spark, one of the two. Oh. So yeah, it's there, under there, and luckily the new chainsaw, which is that one, came with a spanner. Very hard to do this when you're trying to hold a camera, but people like to see what I'm doing. So take it out. It did have old fuel in it, and it smelt a bit like varnish, so it was very, very old. Yeah, look, see, that's pretty oiled up. So what I'll do is I'll run some. The only sandpaper I could find is one of the discs off me Ryobi orbital sander, but it's 240 grit and it'll do. Plus it's got a cloth on the back and that'll wipe the oil off a bit. When I tried to start it before, Sonny tried to bite the bar. Not a good thing. So he's over there, banished, until he learns not to bite these things. I don't want his mouth 4 inches wider than what it is at the minute, you know. But puppies be puppies. He thinks it's just a big game. And it's not. You know it. I know it. He just doesn't know it. So. Oh. I don't know if this is going to start. I hope it does. It's always from new. Has been a horrible thing to start. Horrible. Thought about selling it to somebody to get it out of my life. Oh, that's stop. That's on. That's choke. So what I'll do is I'll leave it on choke, but take it off of full throttle. It's like it's got no spark. It's not even kicking, is it? Not even kicking. But I can smell the fuel. She's flooded. Oh, so definitely take it off the choke. And my hands are all bloody. Greasy, can't get the bloody rubber bit off. Oh no. Oh. The spring bit. Oh my goodness. Really? So there's a spring in here that's now turned around sideways that should go over that. Oh, so I'll have to push it down into there and set it right again. It's got it. See, so now the spring's down behind that little rubber thing right at the bottom, if you can see it. I don't know if you can, it's pretty hard to see in there. Anyway, let's pull this back out. I've tried burning it with a bit of petrol. Usually that used to work in the old mini bike days, years and years. Oh God, when I was like 15 or 13 or something, 13. The old Victor 2-stroke mini bike. But it doesn't want to do it now. And I reckon it's about the right look. I haven't got any feeler gauges, so there'll be none of this. Oh, it should be 3 thou. Yeah, okay, should be. Yeah, no, that's not going to happen, is it? So, what do you reckon? It's about the right gap, I'd reckon. It's only about 1 millimetre, if that. Anyway, I'll put this back in. I have had it running within the last 12 months. So, but the fuel was definitely old. You could smell the varnish coming out of it. And I've definitely put too much fuel in it because it's running out onto the table. There we go, viewers. The brake works. The oil's cool. I can see the oil coming out off the ground. Now, that chain might be a little loose. See that? Might be a little loose. I might have to tighten it up a bit. But to do that, I'm going to shut it off. I don't want to shut it off. Anyway, let's, that doesn't fit that. Oh, it should. There we go. Oh, stop it. The trouble with chainsaws, they're a horrible shape. Now, I believe the tensioner, what the hell is that? Stick is there, right there. See that, viewers? Under there is a screw. So I'll just tighten that a touch. Maybe a little tiny bit more. Don't want to have it too tight. You start to wear away, your bearing gets too hot. But see, look, that's probably perfect. Well, not perfect, but as good as I'm going to get it. There we go. Yep. I reckon that's about it. Let's see if she starts again. Alright, so got fuel, I got heaps of oil, got heaps of fuel oil, got some wedges, got me a lump hammer, gonna take an axe, got me spanner, and that should be it. See you down at the trees. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.